Alright, so today we got a pretty cool project on our hands. I found this old skill drill for sale in a Macy's in Cincinnati that was going out of business. So this is visual on it. I'm guessing they used this to put displays together. And yeah, so they had quite a few tools for maintenance and display assembly and all that stuff. And this looks like some of the original tools they had when they first opened the store back in the, I think it was the 60s or 70s, over in the Tri-County Mall in Cincinnati. But I thought this was just the coolest looking drill, and I love old skill drills. How it has that big metal gearbox right there, the metal key chuck. No key. It is a Jacobs chuck. And yeah, this is a nice old tool. Now on here we see Skil Corporation, made in USA. So that's back when Skil was their own company before Bosch bought them out. And maybe before Emerson owned them as well. But this is a nice tool. I have a few different Skil drills. I have this one as well, this Skil twist drill here. And what I like to do with these drills is put new batteries in them and get them to work. So, got some old laptop cells here, some 18650s, and these say NCR on them, so these are made by Panasonic, and I'm pretty sure we can get these to fit in here. So, technically 8 volts max. I'm going to see if I can add a third to maybe get it to 12 volts. I would like that. But let's take this apart and see what's in here. But yeah, first of all, it's just a plastic body. They have the basic molded grip. The switch is just one click. It's a 1-speed switch, and it feels very strange. It's not a good feeling switch. So we'll take it apart and see what's going on. So let's go ahead and do that. I just want to add, this is a really well-made basic drill. Like, the clamshell fits together so well and so tight, and this is very good, especially for what age this is, which I'm guessing is about the 80s or 70s, with the NiCad batteries in it. But so far, a very high quality drill. Alright, so we got it popped open here. So here we have the one side of the plastic mold, very basic. Not really much structural stuff going on. It does flex. I don't know what kind of plastic it is. There's no markings. Feels like ABS plastic. But it is very sturdy still, especially when it fits together, because it fits, the way they made this is for it to fit into the other piece. So here we have the NiCad battery, so probably 3 cells. There's the motor, no markings on it, and here's the sealed gearbox. And then we have the switch here, which we can see this moves, and then the other switch kind of moves. So there's a spring inside here that's on top of the switch, which is weird. But we have a default switch here, or Defon. So good quality name brand switch, French brand. It has charging here, and that will go there and to here. So we'll just use these ends. We can get at least 2 18650s. I'm going to see if we can get 3, but we'll have to see what happens here. But a pretty simple build here. Yeah, it looks nice. So we'll go ahead and get this taken apart and get these soldered and go from there. Alright, so we had some modifications made to make a little more room with the Dremel. And we have some tabs soldered to some 18650s. And we'll go ahead and crimp them into these, because the original tabs do not stick to solder at all. So I've dealt with that a few times. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put together and see how it works. Alright, the batteries fit in it pretty well, so this is going to be a max of 8 volts. A little bit more voltage than the old battery pack, so should have some decent power. Kind of got those just kind of crimped in there. Let's see what happens here. Oh, look at that, plenty of amperage too. Good speed. That's pretty cool. And we got some charging spots right there that I'll charge with the power supply. And so there's should be some RPM information. So we'll see if we beat the old RPM of 230 RPM. So I got a little reader. Once we get this together, we'll see if we made this drill even better than it was before. And it works. And it's very torquey because of that large gearbox on there. Old tools, they knew how to give small old tools a lot of torque. Very noisy though. That's pretty smooth. Alright, so the original speed with the old battery was 230 RPMs. Let's see what the new RPMs are. Almost double that. Yeah, almost double the RPMs with the two new 18650s at 8 volts. So that's pretty amazing. It's always a fun project to fix old drills, keep them working, especially if they're good quality old US made drill like the Skil. And yeah, fun to use around the house, maybe even on the job. Freak out some people, make them ask questions. So thanks for watching. If you like stuff like this, subscribe, click the like button, and comment, tell me what you think. Alright, thanks for watching.